Hello and welcome to the Apple Tech page. A number of iPhone users have encountered an issue where their iPhone 6 is unable to check for updates. I'm here to guide you through fixing this problem. Let's start with solution 1. Turn off and then turn on your device. First, navigate to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on General, then tap on Shutdown at the bottom. Power off your iPhone by sliding the Power Off slider to the right side. Wait for 30 seconds before turning it back on. Solution 2 involves turning off any VPN configurations. Launch the Settings app, tap on General and scroll down to tap on VPN. If it's turned on, switch it off. Solution 3 is to refresh the airplane mode. In the Settings app, enable airplane mode and wait a few seconds before disabling it. For Solution 4, set the Wi-Fi configuration proxy to automatic. Navigate to the Settings app, tap on Wi-Fi, then tap on the info icon next to your connected network. Scroll down and tap on Configure Proxy and set it to automatic. Solution 5 entails resetting network settings. Go to Settings, tap on General, scroll down and tap on Reset, then tap on Reset Network Settings, enter your iPhone's passcode and confirm the reset. Solution 6 suggests switching to a different Wi-Fi network. Disconnect from your current network and connect to a different one. Finally, Solution 7 advises waiting for some time as Apple's servers might be down due to high traffic. Give it some time and try updating your device later. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Apple Tech page for more updates.